is Nkazimulo Zitha, Head of Primary Schools here at Spark. I am responsible for the design and implementation of the primary school product, together with stakeholder experience, achievement, and run partly some of the ops. So the concept of blended learning is delivering teaching and learning through traditional face-to-face teaching, and then also some portion of the learning is delivered through an online space. So this model enables us, particularly here at Spark, to be able to really personalize scholars' learning in a meaningful way. And we are proud that we were the pioneers of this model at scale. So in our primary schools, we've got 3 phases. So we've got the foundation phase, which is grade R to grade 3, and then our intermediate phase, which is grade 4 to grade 6, and then grade 7, which is the onset of senior phase. So in the foundation phase, the blended learning model is utilized in a way that our scholars spend about 80% of their time in their classrooms, really getting that contact time that they require with their teachers. And within those classrooms, they also have a couple of elements or sections that they go through, so on a rotational basis, so they can rotate from one station to the other. And once they've completed that, they then transition into their what we call the learning lab. So in our learning lab, that is where the online component takes place. They've got 2 main learning programs there. So the first one is Spatial Temporal Math, which is a US-based learning program that we use to consolidate mathematical concepts. So in that space, children in our foundation phase get to spend an hour working at their own pace. The program is designed in such a way that scholars are placed, they take almost like a diagnostic assessment, and then they are placed in their own developmental path. And they're working at their own pace at their own time. And then the second program that they do there is Reading Eggs. It is an Australian-based English learning program, but it is being adapted also for a South African context. So that's also another hour that they spend engaging with that. It is just a program that teaches young scholars, young children, to learn how to read. So yeah, those are mainly the 2 programs there. And it's such a vibrant space because it's not just kids working on devices. It is a lot of also opportunities for peer collaboration. Scholars can actually help each other whenever they are stuck. The online space is actually facilitated by what we call blended learning facilitators. So these are the individuals that will look at behavior management, but also really facilitate learning such that also scholars have the opportunity to learn by themselves, not as opposed to sometimes in a traditional setting, the teacher does a lot of the talking.
If you want to learn more about Spark Schools, visit sparkschools.co.za.